Hey there, fellow e-bike enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important tools you should have in your garage. The e-bike repair stand. Whether you're a seasoned e-bike mechanic or just starting out in the world of e-bikes, having a reliable and sturdy stand to work on your bike can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be discussing the key features to look for in the best e-bike repair stand. Stability. First and foremost, a good e-bike repair stand should be stable and secure. You don't want your bike wobbling around while you're trying to make adjustments or repairs. Look for a stand with a wide base and sturdy legs. Some stands even come with additional weight plates that can be attached to the legs for extra stability. Adjustability. The next feature to consider is adjustability. A good e-bike repair stand should be able to accommodate different types of bikes and frames. Look for a stand with adjustable height and clamp positions. This will allow you to position your bike at the perfect angle for easy access to all parts of the bike. Portability. If you're like most e-bike enthusiasts, you probably enjoy taking your bike on adventures outside of your garage. That's why portability is an important feature to consider when choosing an e-bike repair stand. Look for a stand that's lightweight and easy to fold up and transport. Some stands even come with a carrying case or strap for added convenience. Durability. Last but not least, you want your e-bike repair stand to be durable and built to last. Look for stands made from high-quality materials such as aluminum or steel. These materials are not only strong and durable but also lightweight. So there you have it, folks. Those are the key features to look for when choosing the best e-bike repair stand. Of course, there are many different models and brands available on the market, but by considering these 4 features, you should be able to find the perfect stand for your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy riding!